cover the protest called Protect Our Kids, to bring awareness of the indoctrination of children in the school system regarding gender ideology and sexuality. It's kind of hilarious because the last protest to protect the children was held last September. The marches, called the 1 Million March for Children, took place across the country, and massive crowd showed up to demonstrate against the indoctrination of children in the school system regarding gender ideology and sexualization. Among the protesters, there was a majority of people of Muslim nationality who were really concerned. Since October 7, when Hamas led a terror attack against Israel, which started the ongoing conflict, the cause has slightly faded. Today, again, there is a majority of Arabic people who, for the most part, support the Palestinian cause, but are focusing on the children's cause today. The trans activists, who are from the radical left-wing political spectrum and have hijacked the Palestinian cause, this chant, "From the river to the sea, Palestine will be free," or Gaza. However, all these chants are related to the anti-Israel cause and not to what is happening today.
From the river to the sea! From the river to the sea! From the river to the sea!
Someone from the Protect Our Children cause has asked them to stop using the Palestinian cause today.
Do not use the Palestinian cause to spread your agenda. What you want here is to protect our children. What you want there is something else. Please mention that only and don't mention the Palestinian cause. All of us here are pro-Palestinians. We can chant the same thing. It's gonna be like a cause.
What we can notice, though, it is that the majority of people today who came against gender ideology and the school indoctrination are from the Muslim community, while on the counter-protesters, it seems there is almost none. But hey, they are fully masked again.
Look, I don't know who you are, but from the language, you are targeting a certain point, and I don't want to discuss with you.
Which language?
The way you're talking. You are taking an opinion. You are taking an opinion. If you're really a reporter, you don't really take an opinion like that. So I don't want.
No, you just took the microphone to say something, and I'm asking you, why did you say that?
Because that's my message to them, and that's it. I said it. They heard it. It's up to them to understand.
However, many protesters today from the children's side are refusing to engage with us because of our coverage related to the Israel-Hamas conflict. But our job as journalists is not to make friends, but to expose the situation and the hypocrisy, as we can see in the radicals' counter-protests today.
Les parents au Québec ne veulent pas de cours d'idéologie du genre imposés du préscolaire au secondaire 5. Nous voulons que nos enfants ne soient pas endoctrinés. Nous qui sommes les premiers éducateurs, nous allons donner l'éducation aux enfants, que l'école les instruise, c'est ce que nous demandons. Et nous sommes l'autorité ultime quand il s'agit de nos enfants ici.
But teaching queer ideology at school is not protecting trans rights. It's indoctrination. You have every right to believe in queer ideology. That's your freedom of conscience. You can't impose it on others, especially not on children in public school.
The education minister he said he's going all the way, whether or not they got the Wise Committee's recommendation. So what we're here today to say is simply respect your words and wait until the recommendations are out, and then you decide.
Je pense que c'est de mon devoir en tant que grand-parent de venir appuyer pour qu'on puisse éviter un tel endoctrinement à nos enfants. C'est de l'éducation que je veux pour mes enfants, mes petits-enfants. Ça prend 18 ans pour être capable d'aller voter. Ça prend 16 ans pour pouvoir conduire. Puis là, à 14 ans, tu vas faire ce que tu veux avec ton corps. Ils n'ont pas encore suffisamment de discernement, de développer pour être en mesure de prendre une décision éclairée et non réversible.
Donc moi, je trouve qu'ils devraient attendre le résultat de cette étude du Comité des sages avant d'imposer ça aux enfants dans les écoles. Moi, personnellement, je pense pas que l'idéologie de genre, c'est une chose qui fait avancer la société. Je suis pas tout à fait d'accord avec beaucoup de choses reliées à ça. Je respecte le monde les parents ou les adultes qui décident de changer de genre. Moi, je suis pas transphobique, homophobe, rien de ça. Mais je trouve que les enfants, on ne devrait pas imposer cette idéologie-là dans les écoles à ces enfants-là. Quand on parle de changer de sexe, on parle de traitement hormonal, tout ça, même des chirurgies plastiques, des affaires comme ça, qui sont permanentes sur l'enfant, qui changent la chimie et la physique de l'enfant. C'est non-retour. Il y a des documentaires qui ont été faits là-dessus. Tu peux pas revenir en arrière.
Il faut laisser tranquille à l'école pour instruire, c'est-à-dire savoir écrire, parler, voir ses attitudes, voir ses compétences. Lorsqu'on veut donner un permis de conduire, on ne le donne pas à un jeune de 3 ans à 7 ans, on le donne à 16 ans, c'est-à-dire l'âge mûr. Donc, un enfant de 3 à 7 ans, madame, il n'est pas encore mature. Donc, s'il écarte les parents, moi, je ne trouve pas que c'est logique. On doit connaître tout ce qui se passe à l'école.
But a lot of there is a documentary. A lot of children they change the sex when they grow up. They regret, but they cannot come back. They cannot go back. It's non-coming back point, and then they commit suicide. They end their lives because when they took the decision, it was not the right age to take the decision.
From Turtle Island to Palestine, occupation is a crime. From Turtle Island to Palestine, occupation is a crime. عايزين ندافع عن حقوق الأولاد. حاجة تحكوا عن فلسطين. ما دخل فلسطين هون. Talk about the children. Discuss about the children, how to protect them. Not about Palestine.
How do you feel to see like the counter-protester using that cause against this movement that is focusing on children and not at all against Palestine?
I think some of the people who are on the other side, they're using the Palestinian cause for their interests, for their agenda. And this is that doesn't reflect, that has nothing to do with it's not going to divide us. We're protecting values. They're talking about something completely different. They're deviating from the cause. They're saying that they're protecting the transgender, but they're talking about something else. So they're being hijacked from the other side, not from our side.
Je pense pas que ça ait une influence parce que c'est ce qui se passe ici présentement pour nos enfants.
They're using these slogans and just to conflict.
Le conflit israélo-palestinien n'a pas vraiment rapport avec ce que le PPNE veut faire. J'ai pas vraiment d'opinion là-dessus. Le monde sont vraiment ici pour défendre les enfants, pour défendre leur opinion sur le programme de la CCQ. C'est vraiment aucun rapport avec la Palestine. Fait que je sais pas, je trouve ça un peu absurde, là, cette comparaison-là.
Moi, je m'occupe de cette journée pour protéger les enfants. Les autres, ils disent ce qu'ils veulent, ils mélangent les sujets, ça ne m'intéresse pas. Moi, ce qui m'intéresse, c'est de venir assister pour dire que nous sommes des parents, nous sommes inquiets devant l'infiltration de cet enseignement de la théorie du genre.
It's really funny because everybody here with Palestine. We are most of it Palestinians. So we are not. They're mixing the subjects because they don't have a strong point to put on the table. So they want to make it as a Palestine, so everybody will go for Palestine, and we forget about the real reason we are here. They don't understand, actually. I don't know who told them we are here just to protest against LGBTQ or whatever. No, we are clear. We have a website, we have a Facebook, and we are clear why we come here for.
Now don't forget to go over stopclassroomgrooming.com to sign our petition if you believe that every single children who are going into school should not be indoctrinated with gender ideology and sexuality. But go and sign our petition. In the same time, please chip in generously to support our coverage and our work.